The reddish sun of dawn guides us from impenetrable darkness to the soothing light of Gandhiji's Rama Rajya. The hamlets glitter with rainbow spectrum, and the virgin golden prospects have stimulated the universal life. The discovery of such pristine light has been a reality thanks to the joint initiative of the Government of India and Government of Odisha. The basic structure of villages, along with the standard of living, have undergone a sea change. Once enclosed in the four walls of house, women at present have been empowered. The youths have been employed through proper education and training. These paddy fields showcase the green waves, simulating the green carpets through augmentation of agriculture and farmers. Pradhan Mantri Anusuchit Jati Abhyuday Yojana PM Ajay, a flagship programs for the rise of scheduled caste, has brought about a spirited revolution in the entire nation. About 17.1% of Odisha's total population, the scheduled caste people, along with other categories, also reap the benefit of this scheme. Odisha Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe Development Finance Cooperative Corporation (OSFDC) under the government of Odisha has deserved sterling recognition while functioning as a nodal agency. Adequate capital is being invested in this scheme, prioritizing three primary objectives: transforming a general village having the majority of scheduled caste people into an ideal village; Adarsh Gram, allocating special grant in aid for the holistic development of people living at the bottom line of society; building up residential schools with hostels for facilitating the education of students belonging to scheduled caste are integral parts of this scheme. Under PM Ajay Babu Jagjeevan Ram Chhatravas Yojana, hostel construction for SC students in remote areas to access quality education. At present, 10,108 students are accommodated in 171 hostels statewide. Likewise, due emphasis has been given on rural infrastructure, skill development and scaling up the rate of literacy. A special policy has been formulated, Adarsh Gram or Ideal Village. This Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana, implemented in the hamlet, inhabited by more than 40% scheduled caste people with a minimum population of 500 or more numbers. Due thrust is also given on providing minimum facilities to the villagers, ensuring their social and economic development as well as protecting their surrounding environment. In this way, they have equated to the people of the general category. The primary focus is on 10 sectors: drinking water and sanitation, education, health, social security, construction of village roads and houses, agriculture, electrification and lighting, digitalization, financial incentive, livelihood and skill development. The central and state government jointly provide 41 lakh rupees to each of such ideal villages. Committee are being formed at village and district supervision and management of this scheme. On the other hand, a slew of measures for income generation have been taken up to best the life and livelihood of people. Institutions like the Central Tool Room and Training Center, responsible for manufacturing different delicate machineries for Chandrayaan-2 in the recent past and bagging national appreciation for the same, has been providing technical training to these youth, thus enabling them to be employed in reputed organizations.
आमर OSFDC जरिया रे जो CTTC रो ट्रेनिंग मिलुछि हमकु मु भाबो अछि एठु जो सब स्किल मु नॉलेज जो सब एक्सेप्ट करबी तो मोर ब्राइट फ्यूचर रे आगु को बहुत किछि काम रे आसीबो।
मु एठी आसिला परे एठी देखिले कि उन्नत मानर ट्रेनिंग दिया जाउछि, मेसिन मध्ये अछि, तो मु निजको बहुत धन्य मन करूछि एठी ट्रेनिंग नउछि।
ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट रो जो OSFDC डिपार्टमेंट तरफ रु जो पिला मानक पई रहिबा खाइबा सुविधा सब निशुल्क रे दिया जाउछि, सेथिपति प्रत्येक गरीब श्रेणी लोक मैंने जो थे कौन कर पाठ पढ़ी ओडिशा तथा ओडिशा बाहर किंबा बहु जगार निजर जॉब पाइकी से माने निज गोड़े निजे छिड़ा पार्छन।
Similarly, many more programs have been taken up to empower scheduled caste women. Village women are provided with training as well as special financial incentives. These women belonging to self-help groups are now able to earn substantially through pisciculture by utilizing village tanks on lease basis. A unique example has been created in this field by a women self-help group of Danapda belonging to Balipatna in Khurda district.
आमे गड़िया नीला मानछ माछ चाष पे चून जाल आउ दाना सब किछि आनि के छाडछु आमे सेतरे लाभवान पाउछु।
आज आमे बहु गर्वित भारत सरकार को द्वारा ओडिशा सरकार को द्वारा आदर्श गाँ गोटे आज बहु दिन रे परिपूर्ण होईची।
Thus, Odisha Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe Development Finance Cooperative Corporation has successfully invested the capital received from Pradhan Mantri Anusuchit Jati Abhyuday Yojana in the entire state. Thanks to PM Ajay, flagship scheme for the upliftment of scheduled caste community.